Hello everyone, welcome to my channel WebKit. Yes, I am Nagendraya. Today I am going to show you how to create a simple responsive screen that works for both desktop and mobile screens. Let's start. Doctype HTML indicates that it is an HTML5 document. First of all, save your file. I am going to save in this design folder. I am going to name it as design.html. Now I am going to implement meta tag. Viewport indicates that it is an user's visible area of a web page. It varies from device to device. And this initial scale indicates that initial zoom level is 1. My title is responsive screen. Now I'm going to name it as responsive screen only. I'm going to take one navbar. I'm going to create 3 dummy links. Close your body tag. Finally close your HTML tag. Contact. About. Control S, save your file. Now I'm going to implement internal styles, so that I'm going to take this style tag. Now I'm going to target this anchor tags. Text decoration is going to be none. Border top is 3 pixel solid black. Border bottom is 3 pixel solid black. Padding is going to be 1% and 3%. Nav A. However, its background color is going to be pink. Control S, save your file. I'm going to close my style tag. Let me run and check now. Design. Okay. Come back to our program. I told now this is responsive screen program, so that let me add some text here. I'm going to take p tag. If we resize the browser window width less than 400 pixels, background color changes to pale green, otherwise it is plum color only. I will let you know what it is. Okay, now let me style this p tag. Font size is 25 pixels. Font family is elephant. Control S, save your file. Now let's run and check. Yeah, okay, come back to our program. Background color is plum. Now I'm going to implement at media rules. Okay, at media only screen and max width is 400 pixels. Body, background color is pale green. Control S, save your file. Now let's run and check. Okay guys, let's check whether it's working or not. If we resize the browser window less than 400 pixels, the background color changes to pale green. Otherwise it is plum color only. Let's check now. Yeah, it's working absolutely good. Yes guys, we have created a responsive screen which works for both desktop and mobile screens. This is a mobile first design. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. See you in next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys.